Hi everybody, welcome back from my table to yours. Today we are going to make a quick, easy peanut butter pie. So today we are going to start with some whipped cream. I'm going to put the whipped cream in a bowl. And then we are going to use about a cup of peanut butter. And then all we're going to do is just stir it up, get a good consistency in there. You might have to add a little more, depending on how much whipped cream you use. There we go, starting to get a little color now. And then what we are going to do is we're going to put it into the pie crust. I just bought one because that's what it was showing to use, so that's what I used. I just bought mine from Walmart. Then you will take your peanut butter filling and you will put it in your pie crust. Spread it around evenly. Make sure you guys hit like and subscribe. It is for free. Then you will let this chill in the fridge for a couple hours. From my table to yours, have a great day.